move, ouch, my camera so that you can see that it does look really good. And ooh, then you get to see my mess I made. Ooh, look at all of that. That's a huge mess. But that's 10 products. $50. That's $5 a product. I actually don't think I'm getting rid of anything this month. However, if you would like me to do a giveaway, I definitely will. I have a whole bin full of makeup that I've never used because it's either been a duplicate or I just purchased one, but then I thought, ooh, it's a good deal, so I purchased a bunch of different colors. But so that's what it looks like in natural light. I hope you like it. Yeah, kind of digging it. Kind of digging it. The luminosity on my skin from that Catrice. Sorry, I don't mean to keep moving you around. I'm just like, wow, I'm kind of digging it. So that's what that looks like. I hope you are enjoying your day. Let me turn my filming light back on. See what it looks like in blue? It looks definitely a lot different in the blue light. There is solid yellow, which is what I film in. I just like that yellow color. It tends to give you the most natural look. And then you have the actual film lights, which is what I filmed in today, which kind of gives you a washed out look, but then you can really see the variation. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and you know what? Remember this, you're loved. Have a great day.